Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device supports Esim and is unlocked. This matters because Vodafone will bind a profile to that IMEI. Once done, gather your ID, Vodafone account number, and the device IMEI. These speed up verification. Next, choose whether to convert your current physical SIM to an eSIM or request a new eSIM plan. This affects whether you need a SIM swap or a fresh activation. Finally, sign into the Vodafone app or prepare to visit a store for the next step. You'll now request the eSIM using the Vodafone app or website because it's fastest. Tap Account, manage SIMs, and pick eSIM activation. Follow the on-screen identity checks, photo ID, or security questions, since Vodafone requires proof before issuing a profile. Once approved, you'll receive either an in-app QR code, activation code, or email with instructions. Save that info. Make sure your phone has Wi-Fi and isn't in airplane mode, because you'll need internet to download and install. You finish by installing the eSIM profile. Go to Settings, Cellular, add eSIM, then scan the QR or type the activation code. Your phone will download the profile. Once installed, restart the device, choose which line is primary for calls and data, and run a quick call and mobile data test to confirm service. If something goes wrong, try toggling the eSIM off and on, verify APN settings, and only then contact Vodafone support with your activation reference for live troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.